It's J Dubs back from Local Shopping to help you find some of the best holiday sales and deals. And we're getting very close to November, which means Black Friday sales are starting to leak, and many people are looking for local shopping opportunities for Christmas gifts. And I've been going throughout many major cities in America, and today we're going to go into Anchorage, Alaska, and look at shopping malls and shopping locations. And one of the easiest ways to do this is to go to Google Maps and simply type in Anchorage, Alaska, or shopping malls near Anchorage, or you can even put in your address or your zip code to get shopping malls closer to you. And what you're going to notice that's different this year than years past is there's a little red number under the shopping mall location. This is the Google Plus local review that helps shoppers better understand what other shoppers think about a particular location, and it goes from 0 to 30, with 30 being the best and 0 being the worst. So I wouldn't base my only decision on shopping at a particular location on the Google Plus local reviews, but it definitely does not hurt to read some of these reviews and see what's available and see what people are saying. The Black Friday Baron did a Google Plus post on Anchorage Black Friday sales, as you can see, and these are some of the more popular locations. I'll be sure to put this information in the info below in the YouTube video so you can do research on the hours that the mall opens and what stores are available and what promotions are going on. There's also a link to a post that will give exact details on addresses and phone numbers of major retailers like Best Buy, Walmart, Target, places like that. So if you have any questions about Anchorage Black Friday sales, please feel free to comment below, and please like the video on YouTube if you find it helpful.